Hi all, my name is John. I'm the co-founder of Nano Digital Solutions, and we partnered with mentors, also called the Six-Figure Mentors, SFM. And there are a lot of questions I've received, and so I want to use this opportunity to answer them one by one. And I'll put this as frequently asked questions. So first of the question is, what makes SFM different? This is a very common question that I normally come across, people asking. And how do you know? How can you say what's the difference? Most the most easiest way to do is you must have attempted other business model, and then you'll be able to know the difference. First one is I will go through three major difference in the SFM. The first one is it has a step-by-step program. So you are not overwhelmed, and you know what to do first and the next things to do. So there's a series of program built. The next one is built upon the previous ones, and they are set in a way that even a novice, somebody without a previous experience, can gain a good understanding, and you will never get overwhelmed in following that order. The second most important thing is the support, the kind of support you have. I'm talking about real human support, not something outsourcing. As soon as you sign up, you have a mentor assigned to a consultant assigned to you, and you can contact them. There's a chat box at the back office that you can chat, and then real people will answer you. You have a chat email. You can email them and get information. And you're also introduced to a community that you can post any question, and people will answer you, people you've not known before. And the third one is a system. So it's built in a form of franchise-like model. So it's like you're buying a business out of the box, which is sort of set up and is not complicated. In addition to that, you have an affiliate program within the system. So your training on is done on actual practical step. So if you're learning affiliate, you can use the affiliate in the program to learn. And during the learning process, you are actually building your business. So first things you learn after you've set up your website is list building, which is a big asset in digital world. And once you've done that, it's the best thing that you could ever have. And even before you build your website and start building your own list, you have an opportunity of promoting the affiliate program on the platform by going through what they call the link generator. You go in there and it generates a link to you, which you promote, and anybody that sign up through that link, you earn commission. So those are the three things, and they are the three core things. There are many others, but I'll keep it short. Thank you for listening, and watch out for other other frequently asked questions.